yeah, we're gonna try to get a cut in, and try to see if we can get ahead of this rain. Hopefully it's not another fake out with these showers that we're expecting. So as I mentioned in my last few videos, I'm well overdue for a cut. So with the chances of us getting some rain here today and over the next few days, I'm gonna try to get ahead of the forecast and get this lowered down just a little bit. So like I mentioned before, whenever I cut the lawn, I don't usually take a lot off of the top. I try to cut it often enough so that I'm not having to do a hard cut, which can stress out the lawn and make it brown and even make it more prone to disease. So probably what I'll be doing here today is maybe taking about a third off of the top. You can see how high the lawn is now. It's not really high, but it has been about a week since the last cut, and you can see the edges here, how they're kind of running away from me. Literally, they're running away from the lawn. And this is something else that I wanted to mention about the way Bermuda grows. You can see that there's a vertical component to the plant, but there's also these runners that grow out. So going again back to what I said earlier, to get your lawn to thicken out, as you limit the upward growth, you may be cutting the lawn and taking some off the top, but as you're doing that, you're also encouraging the plant to grow out, which is, these horizontal component of the plant is actually what causes the lawn to fill in and get super thick, so that you have that really nice lush looking lawn. So just want to document and show you what I'll be doing here with the reel mower. I'm gonna try to cut it today again and see if we can get ahead of some of this rain that's coming our way. I don't know if I mentioned this earlier, but all season I've been using this manual reel mower. Nothing fancy. It's just the Scott's Elite 16-inch manual reel mower. But it's been doing pretty good. I see all of the professionals, they're using the big boy gas powered reel mower. Not sure I want to invest in that just yet, but I've been using this manual since my lawn is fairly small. It's not a whole lot. The back is a little bigger, but it has been serving me well. And again, the idea here is I don't know, the lawnmower, the manual reel mower is able to cut your lawn better, in the sense that it can cut lower generally than the lawnmower, the gas powered lawnmower. So I like to use it, and it's easy to sharpen the blades. These blades here, the sharper your blade, the healthier the cut is going to be. If you're not sharpening your blade, it tends to give a rough cut to the grass blade. So even if you're using a gas powered mower or a manual mower, you definitely want to make sure that you're keeping your blades sharp, because that's going to allow you to cut the blade of the grass more cleanly, so that there's a clean cut and it's not jagged and stressing out the plant, which can also make it susceptible to all types of diseases. So yeah, we're gonna try to get a cut in and try to see if we can get ahead of of this rain. Alright, so I finally got done, and this is the finished product. I was able to get in there and try to get some of those untamed edges tamed up, and it was tough. I had to make like 2 or 3 passes because the lawn was so overgrown, and it didn't really help that my blade on my edger was dull and needs to be replaced. But this is what the finished product looks like. So hopefully we'll get some rain here. It's been close to a week since we've had any serious rain, but the lawn is still maintaining. It was a little bit overgrown, but you know, hopefully these clouds don't give us another head fake, and we can see some rain here in the next few minutes. So but yeah, this is the final product. It was kind of rushed. I was trying to beat the rain, but I was still able to get in there and get a quick, decent cut. And I will say this, if any of you are thinking about trying a manual reel mower, or any type of reel mower, I would definitely suggest that you try the manual one first, just to kind of get a feel for it. But I love it. I mean, there's no cut like a manual reel mower cut, and you can see what I was saying about the way that it cuts. I mean, if you look at if you can see the edge of those blades, I mean, it's just a clean cut. You generally don't see a cut like that with a gas mower, at least not any of the ones that I have seen. But you can kind of see here just how clean those blades look, and it just really gives it a healthy appearance. I just love the look of the lawn when it's being reel mow. So anyway, thank you for watching. Again, please share and comment, ask any questions you may have about your lawn, what you're trying to accomplish. You know, just wanted to document this cut, And I will see you all on the next one.